Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do the 3 double crochet stitch wrap pattern. It's a mouthful, but it's super fun to do. For this pattern, you'll need to know how to do a double crochet and a treble crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do those stitches. So to get started, you want to chain multiples of 4 plus 1. For this video, I'm just going to do a quick 9 chains. Alright, to start off you want to chain 1 and you're going to work in the second stitch from the hook, a double crochet, followed by double crocheting all the way to the end of the row. Now for this pattern, it'll end up being row 2 of treble crochets where you'll leave some stitches unworked and then you'll go back and work a double crochet long stitch into it. It seems kind of scary, but I'll show you how to do it. It's super easy and fun. Alright, so that's row 1. So row 2, we're going to turn our work and we're going to start off by chaining 3. We are going to skip the first stitch and we're going to work a treble crochet into the next 3 stitches. So we'll skip that one and we're going to work a treble crochet and 2 more treble crochets in the next 2 stitches. Next, we will work a double crochet in the stitch that we missed. So locate where your stitches that you missed, insert your hook, pull, loop over, pull through, pull your work forward, and pull through. And you want to make sure that you leave this kind of loose and not too tight, or else it'll end up being deformed. So again, we're going to skip that first stitch and we're going to work a treble crochet into the next 3 stitches. Again, we're going to do a long double crochet. So locate where your stitches that you missed or skipped, insert your hook into that stitch, pull through, pull all your yarn forward, and pull through just like you would for a double crochet. And then we'll finish off by working a treble crochet in the last stitch. Now I'll show you how to do this again. But first, we have to chain 1 and we have to work a double crochet in every stitch till the end of the row. Because for this pattern, the repeats will be rows 2 through 3. It's a pretty simple repeat, and once you get the hang of working in the back stitch or the skip stitch, it'll end up getting much easier and you'll find that this project just whooshes by. Alright, there we go. So we're going to turn our work, and again we're going to start off by chaining 3. We are going to skip the first stitch and we are going to work 3 treble crochets in the next 3 stitches. So 1, 2, 3. Next we will work a double crochet long stitch. So insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. Pull everything forward and pull through. Again, we're going to skip 1 stitch and we're going to work 3 treble crochets across. Followed by working a long double crochet. So insert your hook in the stitch that was skipped, pull through, and we're going to finish off by working 1 treble crochet in the last stitch. And there you have it, how to do the 3 double crocheted wrap stitch pattern. Whew, mouthful. But you'll see that it turns out super fun. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.